Excellent, Commandant. Tomorrow I will arrive on Lothal to test them myself. If the tests are conclusive, I will take them into custody.
You know who we are.
Inquisitors.
You know what we do?
You hunt Jedi.
In actuality, I would say the Jedi hunt themselves.
This is a black mark, Commandant. I do not know this boy. But this one, I know. This is the Padawan I encountered on Stygian Prime. How admirable.
Do you know the key to hunting Jedi, friend? It is patience.
You will not be able to outrun us for long.
I still sense the Jedi and his Padawan within my grasp.
So he steps in and saves your saloon. You offer him a place to hide, fresh water, shade from the suns. But the stories they begin, and they travel quickly. His compassion has been his undoing.
You are no doubt unaware that Jedi are trained to resist mind probes. Pain. A Jedi still feels pain. And pain can break anyone.